Hello, my name is Brandon Yates, and welcome to my tutorial series, Animating a 3-hit combo using motion capture for video games. I have been in the video game industry for 9 years. Games I've worked on include Injustice 2, Mortal Kombat 11, Days Gone, Just Cause 4, Rogue Company, Redfall, and currently the lead animator for Predecessor. The 3D software we will be using is Maya. You will learn about Maya's HUMANIK motion capture package. This includes the retargeting and animation settings. I will be teaching you strong posing and timing techniques. We will be using a combination of animation layers, time editor, and time warp to achieve our 3-hit combo. Now let's get started.